Let's look at the word get. Get is an overused word that means to have something you didn't have before. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 alternative words, what they mean, and how to use them. Secure. This word has a few meanings. I'm looking at the meaning to get something with difficulty. It's pronounced secure and it's quite formal. It can be used both written and spoken, and it's very suitable for business use. Example 1, I want to secure a pay rise. Example 2, they have secured an agreement for the deal. Acquire. This means to get something, usually by buying it. It's a quite formal word and can also be used both written and spoken. And this is definitely suitable for business or professional use. Example 1. I have acquired the books for the course. Example 2. They are looking at acquiring the business. Extract. This means to get something from something. This could be something physical or an idea. This is a formal word and it's usually written, but it can be spoken too, and it's very suitable for business and professional use. Example 1, the mine will extract diamonds from the rocks. Example 2, the police extracted information from the criminal.